Alright, hi everybody. Sorry it's been like a month. It's been a really long time. I've just been kind of lazy, to be honest, so I don't really have a good excuse. But anyways, I found a good beach to do some tutorials at. It's very pretty. It's like, I don't know, there's islands and stuff you can see, but I mean, I have to walk like 8 miles to get here, but it's like, it's alright. It's a-okay. But anyways, so let's just get on with the tutorial. Today's a pretty simple one. I mean, it's a simple trick, but you know, it's kind of one that's like, it kind of works just because that's how like physics works or some shit. Like it's not really one you can teach per se. It's more one you just kind of experiment on to learn. I fucked that up, but it's that. It's probably like the most basic parabolic thing, and I mean, well, it's the only one I know too, but anyways, yeah, I don't know, I don't really care for parabolics that much. I personally think they're kind of ugly tricks, but that's just me. So well, anyways, let's just get on with it. So yeah, to do that, so you need to start in the ice pick position, so like this. It doesn't really matter which side, like, or which handle you which handle's on the right or left or whatever, you're gonna catch it all the same. So but anyways, so what you're gonna want to do is, you know, like I said, it doesn't really matter which handle you're on. You just want to curl like 2 to 3 of your fingers around the left handle. So yeah, just these fingers or whatever. And this is it's kind of tricky to explain because I don't know, you kind of release, you know, you flick the knife up or whatever, and then you kind of just release the left, or the right handle first, and well, actually you kind of turn the knife a little bit as you're you know, about to flick it up, and then and then you release the right handle, and it'll start to kind of fly up, but you're gonna, like, as it's flying up, you kind of release the left handle a little bit later than the right. So like the right is like free swinging, like in the air as you're like flicking it up. Sorry, but the left handle is kind of still curled around your fingers slightly. And you just kind of, as you're flicking it up, you kind of turn it like this. And what that does is it just kind of makes like the knife, like, I don't know, a little wobbly or just off balance, and that'll make it kind of flip inward on itself and then do the little, like, just do the little flicky do. Sorry, there's a plane. But it, like, you know, like I say in literally every single tutorial, it's better to just learn it through slow-mos. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, like I was just saying, like, yeah, you want to learn everything by slow-mos. It's like how I've learned. It's how most people learn, I think. But anyways, so yeah, it just kind of, this is a really experimental trick. Hold on, I gotta warm up my fingers. They are so cold. It's kind of, it's one, yeah, it's like one you gotta experiment a lot with, because it's not really I don't know, it's not really one that you can just kind of instantly do in like 10 tries like a lot of tricks are. It's just like, it's one that, like, I would honestly recommend using a trainer for the most. Alright, my bad, I ran out of storage again. As I was saying, like, this is kind of it's not a very forgiving trick. So like, if you fuck it up, you can't really get out of the fuck up, you can't really escape it. Like, it'll cut you pretty, it's kind of hard to, yeah, it's hard to avoid it, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. So if I'm just saying, like, if you have a trainer, I would definitely use it for this. I mean, obviously, if you just have a live blade, like, you can just put tape on it or something, and you'd probably be fine. But anyways, so yeah, breakdown. So it doesn't really matter. Hold in ice pick position. You release it. As you're releasing it, you kind of turn the knife over to the left if you're right-handed, or to the right if you're left-handed. You kind of, as you're doing this, you release the right handle, and then you kind of keep your 3 fingers on the left handle for about, like, I don't know, 0.1, 0.2 seconds as it's flicking upward. Sorry, and then yeah, you release the left handle after those, like, 0.1 or 2 seconds or whatever, and then it should do the flicky do motion. But yeah, like I said, this is a really experimental one, so I don't know, it's gonna be tricky. But actually, this one's pretty cool because you can just kind of keep doing it over and over again if you get really good at it. But yeah, so anyways, good luck to you all. Look at the slow-mos, they're very important. Don't cut yourself. All right, yeah, so hopefully I don't do another one of those month-long breaks. But no, I should be good now. I kind of found a place to do tutorials and whatnot, so yeah, it should be all good. But anyways, yeah, good luck with everything you all are doing. So bye, thanks for watching.